Okay, we're gonna film this little street right here. It's called Rua de Republic, and I believe this one is the Avenue de Republic, this bigger one. This bigger one is on the waterfront. This used to be all ocean, and now it's Saivan Lake. They just reclaimed land. It's all fresh water. There's a bridges that go all the way to Taipa as well. But anyways, we're gonna be going up here. So let me put this up on the map. There's some new housing up here, some painted. I'll talk about it. It's like all abandoned, but now there's something new. So stay tuned, put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so first we're gonna take a look at the waterfront one more time before we leave it. The ocean would be on this other side. This was all ocean, and there's a lot of postcards from another era when people would come here and walk along and look at the ocean. But now it's all reclaimed and it's Saivan Lake. So we are gonna go up and we're gonna go behind these buildings on this little road right here. And you can see some of these buildings up here. These were all abandoned. Here's the name of the street. Republic Street. And then the main road back there was called Avenue. You can also see kind of these mansion-like houses. Got some beautiful trees. And then they're doing some construction right there. So I don't know what that's going to be all about. Looks like they're digging something deep. So all of these houses right here, I believe the last time I was here, I filmed the street over the last 5-6 years, and these were never quite looking as good as they are right now. They always looked like they had a little bit of attention to them. But yeah, imagine that at one point this would have just overlooked the ocean right there. Now it overlooks. This is now Saivan Lake, and then all those tall buildings are the Hengqin side. In the distance, it's Hengqin, China. You can see down below. And actually this street has like layers of stuff up here. And I always kind of wondered why they were abandoned. But now they look painted and it's like something's going on. This is the ocean over there. And you can see some more bridges. There's some bridges between Zhuhai and Hengqin in the distance. This bridge right here goes to Taipa, just to give you some context. So yeah. So the last few times, in all my videos I always attached the last 2 times I was in a certain street. So if you want to see what this looked like before, it'll be in the thumbnails at the very end. Another in-between look. I'd even have these little, looks like maybe a company bought it, because there's like all 3 of those have the same look, and they have this little thing like they're going to try to sell it to the public in some kind of way. So our street continues down that way, but it also goes up this way too. So this also looks like it's part of it. And I think one of the times I was here, I could see, I think it might have even been this one, I could see through it. Oh, there's even scaffolding up there too. I could see through it, and I could see that there was somebody kind of living there. It was like somebody had like kitchenware, like, you know, fresh, like they made breakfast or something, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, this also used to have a lot of abandoned cars right in here too. They're all up in here, and now all of those are gone. Wow. Wow. I think this wall maybe is new. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, I think before I could see through. Maybe they were. So that's kind of like the end of the construction site, and then it goes up. So I won't go any further. But I think I used to be able to look. That's crazy. That looks something like I hadn't noticed before either. All of that. So yeah, if you want to see what this looked like before, wait until the thumbnails and you can see some kind of license. So yeah, that's all the ocean right there. So that's the ocean between, there's Taipa right there. So yeah, if you had these views, right, like you can see this bridge that goes into Taipa. Taipa and Macau are the same government. So Taipa is the southern part of the Macau, and we're on the Macau side, and over there is all Zhuhai in China. So right from this angle you have like 4 islands that you're sitting on the Macau Peninsula. You can see the Zhuhai China side, you can see the Hengqin China side, and you can see the Taipa Macau side. So it's quite a little crossroads corner here. Yeah, I think last time this was all filled with like half abandoned vehicles, and so yeah, it's really changed. They're dying, but they're surviving. More of these postings, government postings. Okay. This right here, there's a little street around the corner called like Tiago, and then there's a hotel. I think that's part of the hotel, this big white building right here. I have filmed up in there as well. I forget the name off the top of my head. It was closed for the longest time, and then this opened about 2 years ago during COVID, right after COVID I mean. Okay. These look like just apartments. Those other ones are more like mansions, the ones on the other side. Kind of interesting. So yeah, this is Republic Street. I probably won't be filming again, you know, it might be another year or so before I film here again. So I think the next time I do, it'll look quite a bit different again. This as an aside, that right there is called the Wanzai Coast of Zhuhai. All those tall buildings over there. And all those tall buildings are Hengqin as well. All of that. And then this bridge would be all Taipa. And all of this would be Macau. And then right here is Tiago de Barra. So this is like one big complex right here. So I think it used to be a hotel. There's a Barra station, a train station, so that's built as well. And then this was all, last few times I was here, like 6 months ago, this would have been all construction for the last few years. And then just recently, it's become quite, you know, walkable and realized. So we were, now we're on Avenida de República, that was Hua. And yeah, this would have once looked over the ocean, and I think at that time, before this Saivan Lake was built, that's Saivan Bridge. So before these construction projects, there also wasn't any tall buildings over there either. And there's a waterway that goes through these 2 islands. That's Zhuhai China side, Hengqin Island side. So anyways, lots of information. So a slice of Macau for you. Hua de República. Lots of places to sit everywhere here too. I'll just kind of highlight that before we end. But yeah, so there'll be these old postcard pictures of 100 years ago in Macau, of people coming here and sitting on benches and you know, bringing their girlfriends and walking up and down the street. So there's still some remnants of that, of what it was before. Still nice though. Okay.